Hi and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the AL+ load over a sandwich panel which is made of two aluminum alloy at top and the bottom as the solid part and a CFRP as a composite material at the middle as honeycomb structure to absorb the energy of the blast and uh, aluminium as a deformable part again to absorb the energy. Okay, if you check the result as figures here this is the definition aluminum alloy CFRP. You can see the damage which is happened in the CFRP uh, and also the plastic strain of the aluminium top and bottom, and then the fully damaged behavior. You can see here it is fully damaged. The element failed in all, especially at the middle of the CFRP. Also, you can see this is the full view. We use 1/4 of the model because of the symmetric to reduce the computational time of the model. And this is the tension damage. And also here we have the displacement. Again, we have the compression damage for matrix, tension damage for fiber here, and here this is the other damage variable for all parts. If you need the tutorial, come to our website abaqusfm.com. Find the tutorial here, or you can search the title here. Search the title. Then open it, click on this, and then you will have the title, a brief introduction and explanation, then the figure of the assembled part, again definition of this aluminium face sheet, some results, honeycomb CFRP sheet and the damage variables, and then the result you can see. You can provide the CAE, INP and step-by-step English video file and reference paper for this model for 30 euros. If you are our oldest customer, you will have a good discount, and then our payment method, all cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Visa or MasterCard. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the tutorial, its content and payments ways. For now, thank you for your attention.